Hey, I'm Nicolas and I designed the IKEA PS Skal dish. It is inspired by both Vietnamese and Scandinavian handicraft. The challenge was to combine the traditional handicraft weaving with IKEA high-tech production. So first, the bamboo is split and weaved into sheets that are then pressed and glued together into a mold. Bamboo is a strong and flexible building material. It is the fastest growing woody plant in the world and generates far more oxygen than a tree. Not bad for a straw of grass.
Hi, I'm Maria.
I'm Jon.
We wanted to create the chair that triggers the imagination. We started with the classic model as an inspiration.
Like two kids playing, we took turns to choose different materials and sizes of the parts.
Beech, oak, short, long, wide and thin parts mixed randomly. The result is a playful invitation for all grown-ups to relax and enjoy the beauty of imperfection.